Hey guys, Tekshan here, back with another video. If you guys are following me, I had teased my PC build video using the latest and greatest second generation AMD Ryzen Threadripper. Finally, here it is. So make sure to watch this video till the end to know how I built it, what parts I used, how much did it cost, blah blah blah. Sit back and relax. Let's get started.
Like a Hellcat. Like a hell. Like a Hellcat. Like a hell. Like a Hellcat.
Alrighty, now that we are done with the build, let me quickly tell you the main components for this build, starting off with the cabinet. I went with the Cooler Master H500P mesh because it has good ventilation and looks damn good. It supports E80X motherboard, comes with two pre-installed 200mm RGB fans in the front, one rear 140mm fan, has ample space inside for everything you want to throw into it. Liquid cooler, additional fans, blah blah blah. Looks sturdy and stylish. And finally has a tempered glass side to show off your internals. Overall, a pretty awesome cabinet for 12,500. Next up, processor. You guys already know I picked up the second generation AMD Ryzen Threadripper 2950X, which has 16 cores, 32 threads, and it's a beast. Done a separate video in case you guys missed it, check it out. Costs around 81,000. Next up, motherboard. I went with the MSI X399 Gaming Pro Carbon AC, and it is an incredible board with everything you need in it. Supports the second generation Threadripper, multi-GPU, gigabit LAN, audio boost, 8 DDR4 RAM slots, ample ports, supports overclocking, you name it, it has got it all. And supports RGB lighting as well. Costs around 33,000. A powerful build needs something to keep it cool. I went with the Cooler Master 240L RGB liquid cooler. It has double tubing dual 120 RGB fans and the radiator looks pretty sleek. You also get a wired RGB controller to control the lighting. Costs around 8,500. Next up, graphics card. Obviously it has to be a 1080 Ti. I went with the zotac 1080 Ti 11GB DDR5X dual fan one. It's a compact version of the 1080 Ti which many usually get. Zotac has managed to make a compact version with no performance loss. Pretty cool. Many might ask why I didn't pick the RTX 2080. Well, given that I don't need real-time ray tracing support etc., the 1080 Ti is still very powerful enough and goes head-to-head with the new version and is a beast. Saves a good chunk on the overall budget as well. Costs around 65,000. Next up, the power supply unit. I went with the Corsair RM series, which is a 1000 watt fully modular PSU, so I can have some neat cabling inside. The difference between the fully modular and the normal ones is you can plug in only the cables you need and don't have to worry about, hiding the ones that stick out unwanted. This is a good one. Costs around Rs 12,000. Next up, drives. For the primary, I went with the Samsung 970 EVO NAND 250GB SSD, which has an unbelievable read and write speed of up to 3500 MB per second. Yes, I said that right. Just imagine the Windows boot time and application load time. You can expect it to be super fast. I also work with large files, so this is gonna be a boon. And as my secondary, the usual mechanical Seagate 1TB plus 2TB drives. The Samsung 970 EVO costed me around 8,750 and the Seagate 1 plus 2TB drives a total of 8,250. Next comes RAM. Corsair Vengeance is my choice for this build. I'll be using two 16GB DDR4 Vengeance sticks, cost Rs 24,000 for a total of 32GB. I have one stick here, another is on the way thanks to delayed online shipments. And finally, I'll be connecting three 24 inches Acer RO series monitor for a triple monitor setup. This is a close to zero bezel model. Each one costs 8,500 rupees. You will get to see how it looks in my setup 2 video. So boom, these are the primary components for this build. This build I will be mainly using for my creative work, editing and stuff, and not just for gaming. But hey, a few occasional games is not gonna pinch anyways.
Sean, playing games?
So there you go, my ultimate Ryzen Threadripper 2nd generation PC build. I'll be coming up with a separate Studio 2 video very soon where we'll show you around some changes in the studio and how this PC looks in its final stage in there. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. Subscribe to TechSean so that you don't miss my upcoming studio tour and other awesome tech videos. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.
Like a Hellcat.